we have to chant Om. So,
Okay.
for remove all obstacles, first chant Omkara and next we will chant some shloka. I will chant just one shloka. Okay. Om वागर्थ विवसंपृक्तौ वागर्थ प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. So, in the first class, we have to know about how to introduce ourselves. So, in every language, first we know that how to introduce ourselves. Likewise, here also in Sanskritam, how to introduce ourselves, we have to know. So, first I will do myself. Aham Praveena or Mama Nama Praveena. Mama Nama Praveena. Okay. Mama Nama Praveena. Mama Nama Praveena. Mama Nama Praveena. Aham Hosapete Nagarataha Agatah or Bengaluru Nagarataha Agatah or Karnataka Rajyataha Agatah. Okay. Taha Taha. Aham Bengaluru Nagarataha Agataha. Okay. This is the second sentence. So first, Mama Nama Praveena. Aham Hosapete Nagarataha Agataha. Okay. Next. Aham Chhatraha Asmi. I am a student. Okay. There are three sentences. Mama Nama Praveenaha. Aham Hosapete Nagarataha Agataha. Aham Chhatraha Asmi. Okay. So, Mama Nama Praveenaha. Aham. Mama Nama Praveenaha. Next. Aham Hosapete Nagarataha Agataha. Aham Chhatraha Asmi. So, this is for Pullinga. When we say in Strilinga, so Agata. Mama Nama Sita. Aham Bengaluru Nagarataha Agatavati. Agatavati or Agata. Okay. Agatavati. So we say Agatavati. Agatavati. Okay. Aham Bengaluru Nagarataha Agatavati. Aham Chhatra Asmi. Okay. There are three sentences. So you can tell now. Mama Nama dash.
Mama Nama Asha. Mama Nama Asha. Aham Aham Mumbai. You know how to say that?
Mumbai Nagarata.
Mumbai Nagarataha Aste.
Agatavati.
Agatavati.
Or
Aham.
Asmi. When we use aham, so we have to use me. So aham asmi. Aham Mumbai Nagarataha asmi.
Aham Mumbai Nagarataha asmi. Mama Nama Ashaha. Aham Mumbai Nagarataha asmi. Nagarataha asmi. Okay. Third one is
next. Aham Chhatra asmi or aham Shikshika asmi. So in the next slides we can see. Nidhyaka, can you tell?
Yes. Mama Nama Nidhi. Aham Sanduru Nagarataha Agatavati. Or Agata. Aham Sanduru Nagarataha Agata. Aham I am staying at home. For whom?
Aham
What is
Grihini
the word?
asmi. Aham Grihini.
Aham Grihini asmi.
Okay. So now now this self introducing with conversation. Okay. So when we meet someone, then Hari Om, Namaste, Kushalam va, Am, Kushali. Okay. Kushalam va, Am, Kushali. Okay. So Bhavataha Nama Kim? Mama Nama Praveenaha. Okay. Bhavataha Nama Kim? Mama Nama Praveenaha. So this is for Pullinga. So for Strilinga, Bhavatyaha Nama Kim. Okay. Bhavataha Nama Kim? Mama Nama Praveenaha. So Bhavatyaha Nama Kim? Mama Nama Sita. Okay. So with conversation, Bhavatah nama kim? Mama nama Praveena. Bhavatyaha nama kim? Mama nama Sita. Like this. So next, Bhavan kim kurvan asti? So Bhavan kim kurvan asti? Aham chhatraha asmi. Nee yen ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Aham chhatraha asmi. ನಾನು student. I am a student. Okay.
Yes.
So next, from where did you come? Bhavan kutah agataha? Kutah agataha? Aham Hosapete nagarataha agataha. I am just adding questions. Okay. Bhavataha nama kim? Mama nama Praveenaha. For female, for feminine, Bhavatyaha nama kim? Mama nama Sita. Okay. So next question. Bhavan kim kurvan asti? Aham chhatraha asmi. Bhavan kim kurvan asti? Okay. Kim kurvan asti? Aham chhatraha asmi. Chhatraha asmi. I am a student. Next. From where did you come? Okay. Bhavan kutaha agataha? Aham Hosapete nagarataha agataha. Bhavati for female. Bhavati kutaha agatavati? Aham Mumbai nagarataha agatavati. Okay, like this. Aham Sanduru nagarataha agatavati. Okay. So now I will make questions. You answer me. Hari Om, Namaste, Kushalam va? Am, Kushali.
Am Kushali.
Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Bhavatya meaning?
Bhavatyaha andre ninna ಹೆಸರೇನು ಅಂತ. Just for Strilinga, Pullinga, there is little bit difference. Bhavataha for Pullinga, Bhavatyaha for Strilinga. Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Mama nama Nidhi.
Bhavati. Next. Bhavati kim kurvati asti?
Aham Sandura nagarataha agatavati.
No. Bhavati kim kurvati asti means nee yen ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Aham grihini asmi.
Aham grihini asmi.
So next question. Bhavati kutah agatavati? So now aham Sanduru nagarataha agatavati. Okay. So can we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Next is we already know about Kim. Okay. There are 7 WH questions are in Sanskritam. Kim kutra kati kada kutah katham kimartham. So Kim kutra kati kada kutah katham kimartham. There are 7. So first one is Kim. Kim is already over. Bhavataha nama kim? Bhavatyaha nama kim? Bhavatyaha nama kim? Bhavataha nama kim? So Kim is already over. Enu, what? So Kim andre enu. So next one is Kutra. Kutra means where. Okay. Bhavataha Grama kutra. Okay, like this. Bharatam kutra asti. Russia desha kutra asti. Sri Lanka kutra asti. Where is Bharatam? Like this. Okay. So kutra means where. Okay. Bharatam kutra asti. Bharatam atra asti. Atra means here. So we are living in Bharatam now. So we have to tell like this. Bharatam atra asti. Okay. So now I will ask. Bharatam kutra asti.
Bharatam atra asti.
अत्र अस्ति. रष्या देशः कुत्र अस्ति? रष्या देशः तत्र अस्ति.
Tatra asti.
Okay. So this is pustakam. Pustakam is near for me. So we have to tell pustakam kutra asti? Pustakam atra asti.
Atra asti.
Pustakam little bit far from me then. Pustakam tatra asti. Tatra asti. Okay. Pustakam kutra
Pustakam will
asti?
remain same. Pustakam will remain same, right? Or atra,
पुस्तकं
tatra.
will- yes. पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति?
Pustakam atra asti.
No.
Pustakam
पुस्तकं कुत्र
tatra
अस्ति?
asti.
पुस्तकं तत्र अस्ति. So here and
Pustakam.
there. Atra means here, tatra means there. Okay. Bharatam kutra asti?
Bharatam
Bharat
atra asti.
अत्र अस्ति.
Russia देशः कुत्र अस्ति?
रष्या देशः तत्र अस्ति.
तत्र अस्ति. Okay. Atra and tatra is over. Next anyatra. Anyansa means ಬೇರೆನೇ ಕಡೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ. Asha Didi, you can understand na Kannada. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ದೇಶ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ದೇಶ ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ?
ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ
ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. Okay. ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ? ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ನಾಸ್ತಿ. If is it there, then we have to say ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ಅಸ್ತಿ. If is it not there, then ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ನಾಸ್ತಿ. Okay.
Nasti.
No, ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ನಾಸ್ತಿ. So ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ? ಕೊರೋನಾರೋಗः ನಾಸ್ತಿ. Okay.
Nasti.
So ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ದೇಶः ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ? ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So next one is ಸರ್ವತ್ರ. Okay. ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ವಾಯುಃ. ವಾಯುಃ means air. Air is everywhere na. So we have to tell ಸರ್ವತ್ರ. ವಾಯುಃ ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ? ವಾಯುಃ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ.
Sarvatra asti.
ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. Okay. So ಅತ್ರ ತತ್ರ ಅನ್ಯತ್ರ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಏಕತ್ರ. ಏಕತ್ರ that is not here. ಏಕತ್ರ means
Together.
ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. Okay.
One place. Together.
One place together. Yeah. So now ಪುಸ್ತಕಂ ಏಕತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. If is it ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So ಪುಸ್ತಕಂ ಕುತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ? ಪುಸ್ತಕಂ ಏಕತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ.
Ekatra asti.
ಏಕತ್ರ ಅಸ್ತಿ. There is one cart. So pustakam are spreaded. But if there is pustakam all together, then we can say pustakam ekatra asti.
Pustakam ekatra asti.
Pustakam ekatra asti. Okay. There are 5 words. Atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra. Okay. Now I will ask for you, then you may answer me. Okay. You may answer me. Bharatam kutra asti?
Bharatam atra asti.
Russia देशः कुत्र अस्ति?
रष्या देश अत्र
तत्र. तत्र अस्ति.
तत्र.
Russia देशः little bit far from us na. So a bit na ज़्यादा. So पुस्तकम. पुस्तकम is here. So पुस्तकम कुत्र अस्ति?
Pustakam atra asti.
अस्ति.
So when little bit far from me, then पुस्तकम कुत्र अस्ति?
पुस्तकं तत्र
asti.
तत्र अस्ति. So अमेरिका देशः कुत्र अस्ति?
अमेरिका देश
Desha atra atyant
अन्यत्र
अन्यत्र asti. Anyatra asti.
वायुः. वायुः कुत्र अस्ति?
वायु
Vayu sarvatra asti.
सर्वत्र एकत्र नेक्स्ट सो पुस्तकं कुत्र अस्ति
पुस्तकम्
पुस्तकम्
एकत्र अस्ति
एकत्र अस्ति.
एकत्र अस्ति सो नेक्स्ट this is chashakah so when we make sentences in sanskritam we should know about the wordings some of
Wordings.
so then we can make sentences so this is chashakah chashakah kutra asti if you sit near then pustak chashakah atra asti
तत्र अस्ति
tatra asti devalayah we are in home so devalayah anyatra asti so vrikshah okay vrikshah jalam so this is syutam okay so syutam means bag so bag where is the bag is in the home so we can say like this kutra syutam asti or syutam kutra asti syutam
सूतं ग्रहं
grihe asti
गृहेण
grihe means home
Sutam means?
grihe asti bag this one
No. Sutam means?
bag
Bad.
bag
BAG
bag. Okay so bag bhojanam chhatraah like this so next bus yanam kankatam I don't know what we tell in Sanskrit bangles pushpam
Flower.
phenakam so parnam phalam chhatram pankah or vyajanam graham okay now we have to know about how to introduce ourselves like shikshakah vaidyah sainikah like this okay aham shikshakah asmi aham vaidyah asmi aham sainikah asmi aham rakshakah asmi fourth one aham abhiyantrakah asmi engineer okay we don't know about software engineer hardware engineer in sanskrit just abhiyantrakah asmi so next pachakah asmi pachakah cook aham pachakah asmi when we say aham then smi me it comes patami likhami like this so we have to say aham pachakah asmi aham apanikah asmi okay aham karmakarah asmi aham nartakah asmi okay so same as it is for feminine so now nartaki sorry shikshika so teacher aham shikshika asmi next one is aham vaidya asmi okay next rakshika asmi aham rakshika asmi aham pachika asmi aham abhiyantrika asmi so now you can tell all these 5 sentences
aham shikshika asmi aham vaidyah asmi aham rakshika asmi aham pachika asmi aham what is this
abhiyantrika
asmi abhiyantrika means engineer okay
so next gayaki asmi next one is chalaki asmi okay like this nartaki asmi so I will go for next slide aham tvam so this is the way of easy to introduce ourselves aham govinda tvam aham Geeta like this aham govinda tvam aham Geeta like this aham chhatra tvam aham shikshakah like this okay aham praveena tvam
asha
like this So aham means me, tvam means nenu. So we can say tvam for both Strilinga and Pullinga, masculine and feminine. So there is no difference between tvam for Strilinga and Pullinga. Okay, we can say tvam
Aham
for Strilinga and Pullinga.
aham Nidhi tvam Praveenah.
ತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರವೀಣಃ ತ್ವಂ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತ್ವಂ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣಃ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಈಸಿ ವೇ ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅಹಂ ಪ್ರವೀಣಃ, ತ್ವಂ ಅಹಂ ಸೀತಾ, ಅಹಂ ಗೀತಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅಹಂ ಗೀತಾ, ತ್ವಂ ಅಹಂ ಪ್ರವೀಣಃ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ. So next, balakah gacchati, balakah pathati. So balakah, Ramah, Krishnah. So when we say someone, then ti it comes. So that sentence will be end up with ti. Okay. Balakah gacchati. Okay. Balakah pathati. So balakah gacchati, go. Okay. Balakah pathati, pathati, study.
Study.
Next, balakah likhati,
Writing.
balakah khadati, balakah pibati. Okay,
Pibati
means drink.
Okay.
Balakah kridati,
Playing.
playing. Okay. So now we make sure that all meanings. Okay, now we can go ahead. Aham.
And
when we say aham, then that sentence will be end up with me. Okay. So you can say aham. So please tell me aham.
Aham likhati.
From starting. Aham.
Aham gacchati, aham patati, aham likhati, aham khadati.
Aham gacchami, me.
Gacchami. Okay.
Aham gacchami, aham patami, aham likhami, aham khadami, aham pibati, aham kridati.
Pibati. Jump.
When we use aham, then me. So aham pibami, aham kridami. Okay. When we say balakaha, Ramaha, Krishnaha, then we have to say balakaha gacchati, Krishnaha gacchati, Krishnaha pathati, Ramaha likhati, like this. So when we say aham gacchami, aham pathami, aham likhami, aham khadami, aham pibami, aham kridami. Okay.
Kridami.
So Bhavan is there. So next we go for Kim Putra Kati Kada. So there are 7 WH questions are there. So Kim Putra Kati Kada, Utaha Katham Kimartham. Okay. So just I recap all these things. So first how to may introduce ourselves. That is the first thing. Mama Nama Praveenaha, Aham Hosapete Nagarataha Agataha, Aham Chhatraha Asmi. Okay. So there are 3 points to introduce ourselves and with conversation. Next is with conversation. I am Praveen. When we meet someone, then Hari Om, Namaste, Kushalam Va, Am, Kushali. Bhavataha Nama Kim, Mama Nama Praveenaha. Bhavatyaha Nama Kim, Mama Nama Sita. Or Pullinga and Strilinga, little bit difference. Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha. Okay. Bhavan Kim Kurvan Asti? Aham Chhatraha Asmi. Bhavati Kim Kurvati Asti? Aham Shikshika Asmi. Aham Grihini Asmi. Aham Pachika Asmi. Like this. So next, Bhavan Kutaha Agataha? Aham होसपेटे नगरतः आगतः. भवान् कुतः आगतः? ओके. भवती कुतः आगतवती? अहं बेंगळूरु नगरतः आगतवती. ओके. Okay. So we already know about Kim and Kutra. Kutra. Kutra.
Yes.
So Kutra also over. Bharatam Kutra asti? Bharatam
भारत
अत्र अस्ति.
अत्र अस्ति.
रष्या देशः कुत्र अस्ति? रष्या
रष्या
देशः
देशः अत्र अस्ति.
तत्र अस्ति.
अस्तु.
Okay. Pustakam, if sit near for me, then Pustakam kutra asti?
अत्र.
Atra asti. If is it for, then Pustakam tatra asti.
तत्र
Okay. All together, then Pustakam ekatra asti.
एकत्र अस्ति.
Vayuh kutra asti?
वायु सर्वत्र अस्ति.
Okay. Vayuh devah. Devah is everywhere, na? So devah kutra asti?
देवः सर्वत्र अस्ति.
Devalayah kutra asti?
देवालय
अन्यत्र.
अन्यत्र.
Anyatra. So we can say tatra. So allide, illide. Devalaya, if is it near for us, then Devalaya atra asti. Devalaya anyatra asti. So Devaha sarvatra asti. Okay. Atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, ekatra. So ekatra. So we already have learned Kim,
Words.
Kutra. Okay.
Kim.
Now we have to move on. Kati. Kati means how much. How much. How much fruits are there? There are 5 fruits. So we have to say in numbers, na? So we have to know about numbers in Sanskritam. So Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Navadasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha.
Kati means how many.
How
Kati
much?
means how many.
How much? How many are how much? Okay. So first we have to answer, na? So that we have to know about some sankhya's, numbers in Sanskritam. Ekam, Dve, Tri, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Okay. Can you tell Dasha? Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha.
एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकदश. एकदश means 11, I guess. एकादश द्विदश द्वादश त्रयोदश चतुर्दश पञ्चदश षोडश सप्तदश अष्टदश नवदश विंशति दश विंशति.
For next ekadasha, dvadasha, trayodasha, likewise. Vimshatihi, ekavimshatihi, dvavimshatihi, trayovimshatihi, chaturvimshatihi. So I have gave just dasha, vimshatihi, trimshat like this. Okay. Vimshatihi for 20, trimshat, chatvarimshat, panchashat, shashtihi, saptatihi, ashitihi, navatihi, shatam. Shatam 100. Okay. 100. So we can go now Kati.
Kati.
So now we can.
Kati means how.
So how much?
How much?
Not how. How much? How many?
Okay.
So can you tell without watching this slide? Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Navadasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha, Panchadasha, like this.
एक द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् अष्ट
पंच षट् सप्त.
पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकदश द्विदश
द्वादश
द्वादश त्रीणि त्रीणि दश, त्रयोदश, चतुर्दश, पञ्चशत दश,
पंचदश,
पञ्चदश, षड्दश,
विंशति. Okay, last
पंच,
ekavimshati like this. Okay. So now kati, how much? Nidhi akka,
Huh. I
can
have to repeat numbers or kati?
just numbers, ekam, dve, three.
Okay. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश,
Okay.
एकादश, द्वादश, त्रयोदश,
Kati.
चतुर्दश.
So now, kati. Kati means how much. How much doctors are there? Kati vaidyaha santi. Okay. If is it one, then we have to say asti. If is it plural, then santi. Okay. Asti,
सन्धि,
asti is singular,
santi.
plural, santi. Kati vaidyaha santi. Okay. Kati vaidyaha santi. Vaidyaha santi. Okay. Pancha
Means how many doctors are there?
5 doctors
Means
are. Pancha vaidyaha santi. Okay. Kati vaidyaha santi? Pancha vaidyaha santi.
वैद्याः सन्ति. कति वैद्याः सन्ति? पंच वैद्याः सन्ति.
If is it only one doctor, then ekaha vaidyaha asti.
वैद्यः अस्ति.
So there is a little bit difference between singular and plural. In singular, we have to say asti. In plural, we have to say santi. Okay. Ekaha vaidyaha asti. Pancha vaidyaha santi. If is it not uncountable, then bahu vaidyaha santi. Okay. Bahu vaidyaha santi. Okay.
Whether
vaidyaha asti, pancha vaidyaha santi, bahu vaidyaha santi. If is it uncountable. Okay. Syutam. Ekam syutam asti. Shat. There are ashta. Ashta syutani santi. So we can see here vaidyaha is in pullinga, syutam is in napumsakalinga. So just we can know about the thing that when the word is visarga, then it is in pullinga. Okay, vaidyaha, vrikshaha, ramaha, krishna, all these words are in pullinga. Okay. If is it dirgha, then that is in strilinga. Rama, Sita, Gita, okay, Lekhani. So even it is in even it is a non-living thing, then also that word makes strilinga, napumsakalinga like this. Okay. So Lekhani is a non-living thing, just a pen. Pen means Lekhani, but it is in strilinga. Why? Lekhani is the dirgha varna. Lekhani. So that Lekhani is in strilinga. Likewise, Syutam is in napumsakalinga. When it comes, then Syutam is in napumsakalinga. Syutam asti syutani santi. Okay.
And for
Kati
many
syutani santi?
एकः सूतम्
एकं
अस्ति.
स्यूतम् अस्ति.
एकं सूतम् अस्ति. And for many
अष्ट स्यूतानि सन्ति.
अष्ट सूतानि सन्ति.
सन्ति.
And for many uncountable
बहु
सूतानि
सन्ति.
Santi, again Santi.
Santi. So Santi means plural. When it is Trayam or Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta or Bahu. So Bahu is already in plural. Na? So Bahu Sutani Santi. Okay. So next, एकः वृक्षः अस्ति, बहु वृक्षाः सन्ति, और षट् वृक्षाः सन्ति. कति वृक्षाः सन्ति?
एक वृक्षाः सन्ति. असन्ति.
अस्ति.
अस्ति. अस्ति. Sorry. एक वृक्ष अस्ति.
प्लूरल.
बहु. षट्
वृक्षाः सन्ति.
बहु वृक्षाः सन्ति.
So for next, you can tell कति चषकाः सन्ति.
एकः चषका अस्ति. बहु for plural. बहु चषका सन्ति.
चषकाः सन्ति. Yes.
चषकाः सन्ति.
So likewise, all we have to tell.
How can we get the words for these things? Is there any Google or YouTube?
Google.
Like,
we can see.
all
Google.
this, what it is called, like in Sanskrit. Is there any link like you have or any list?
Sanskrit is there.
Where it is? Google?
Google translation.
Translation.
Okay.
Achha,
So kati sainikaah santi, bahu sainikaah santi. So uncountable. So bahu sainikaah santi. Kati gayakaah santi.
Bahu gayaka santi.
Or six. Shat gayakaah santi.
Shat gayaka santi.
Okay.
For chair it is?
Asanda. Ekah asandah asti. Bahu asandah santi. Okay. So now we are in Strilinga. Devi. Eka Devi asti. Bahu devyah santi. Okay. Eka Devi asti. Bahu
devyah santi.
So I hope here we can conclude this session.
Yes.
From Shanti Mantra. Just I recap whatever we have learned this session. From starting self introducing and with conversation and how to introduce ourselves in easy way, and WH questions kim kutra kati and sarvatra ekatra anyatra atra tatra, all these things, and sankhya's ekam dve treeni chatvari pancha shat sapta